Good morning again, guys. Told I'll be back. I just want to show you, this is now what life is like with a child. This is now Jensen's room. Like that. It's a mess at the minute because he's in our room in his carpet. But there's literally everything everywhere. Get out. Teddies, toys, spare TV because I got a TV free with my new phone contract, so that TV is going to go in here at some point. This is what Gareth made us. It's pretty cool. I'm not taking it off the wall because it's a bit of a trick to stay on the wall. I don't want to move it. Yeah, baby clothes, baby stuff, nappies over there, more clothes in there, stuff everywhere. Yeah, but, excuse the mess, but Jensen's bed, our bed. That's where he stays. But we've only been up about, I think he slept through, so we've only been up about an hour. He's downstairs screaming his head off a few minutes ago because he's hungry, but... Jensen! Yeah. You look so confused. Smile then. He's not going to smile, is he?
Dad, I said no toys at grandfather's.
But it's Christmas.
Everyone's playing it, probably.
This new year, I vow there'll be no new me.
Look, someone's making a mess. Jensen, you're making a mess here, mate. All over you. All over you. Someone's been asleep for about an hour, woke up grumpy. And now he's hungry. Look at him. Someone's not happy. Someone's not happy. You've had all your bot, you're not happy. You got all the windies. You got all the windies. Here we go. You settle down. You're so grumpy, aren't we? We just had all that food and we're so grumpy. Oh no! Oh, bless you. Oh, you settle down. This is what it's like. He eats, and then gets grumpy because he's full, grumpy because he's windy, and then he settles down and goes to sleep. Look who's happy again now. Eats, cries, falls asleep, happy again. Look.
Trying to get his hands on whatever it is he wants and then worrying about how to pay for it. Scratch that. What's going on?
It was so cool. Yes, sir, Katie.
What's the shit? What is up with that one?
It's okay. It's alright. Hollywood Forever Cemetery, 30 years.
Boop. Dum dum. Nope, no dum dum. Do you want your dum dum? No dum dum. Dum dum. There we go. Dum dum. Ah. No, when you dum dum. Jensen. Dum dum. There we go. Dum dum. Dap it. Oh, you don't need dum dum.
I'd be first to admit that. But let's remember why we're here. To celebrate my literature. And isn't that the best way to take our minds off today?
And Daddy got a smile. And Daddy got a smile. What is that noise? Can Daddy get a smile? Can Daddy get a smile? Yeah. That's the most random noise I've ever done. I gotta say, it makes some great random noises. I don't know what it's doing. What are you doing, Jensen? Where are you? Yeah. What noise is he making? Look, ready? He likes that one. He's woken up now. He's been asleep, fed, sleep. There's a lot of... Can't mention nothing beats this feeling. Ever. Nothing will beat it. It gets better and better every time. Get him. He's fast asleep. Nothing else ever beat it. Well, this is what you have to put away every 20 minutes or so. Poopy nappies, wet nappies, or pooping on us. You just feel a wet fart and he's pooped. So like what we've just done. Was going to show you, but if anybody's eating the tea, I don't want to put anybody off. But it wasn't as bad as what it's done before. There's one before where it's gone all around him and all up his back. But that one, pretty light. We got that off for that one. Oh, hang on, that focus. Alright guys, I am so tired. Tired. Everyone kept telling us before we had Jensen, if you like your sleep now, you're not going to get any afterwards. Oh. So like that, just forget about sleep. I'm so tired. It's only 8 o'clock at night as well. 11 o'clock at night. Oh. Can you hear him? Literally just put him down. He's trying to start whining. Which is why I'm going to quickly wrap this up. Yeah, I'm recording that now because I'm going to get around to editing the video for today. Get some rest. Get around to watching something I want to watch on TV. Especially before I go to bed in about 2 hours because we have a set routine to take him to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I'm going to save Naomi from a crying Jensen.